Contenders!
As the Indian Navy has released the request for information for the procurement of 4 landing platform docks, the list of likely Indian bidders that are expected to bid in the program includes Cochin Shipyard Limited, L&T Shipbuilding, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders. The foreign companies that are expected to offer their designs for Indian Navy's LPD tender includes the Ivan Rogov class of Russia, France's Mistral class by Naval Group, Spain's Juan Carlos I class by Navantia, South Korea's DRDO class, Singapore's Endurance class landing platform dock and the Trieste class LHD design of the Italian firm Fincantieri. The request for information to procure 4 landing platform docks by the Indian Navy has called for the helicopter spot to be strengthened to operate 2 heavy lift helicopters that would be parked on the deck in blade folded configuration and will have a maximum takeoff weight of 40 tons. The Indian Navy was given technical briefings on the V-22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft in 2013, and the Navy was impressed by the demonstrated capabilities of the V-22 as an airborne early warning and control platform and also for anticipated deployments of troops in India's island chain. Officials have said that Boeing still considers India as one of the potential export market for the V-22 Osprey tilt-rotor helicopter, and it was engaged in discussions with the Indian Navy till 2015. Interestingly, Boeing's internal sales projection counts the order coming for the V-22 Osprey from India from around 2025 onwards, and the total estimated price of the 8 V-22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft will be around $2 billion. Russia's Rosoboronexport has offered its Palma Shipborne automated anti-aircraft artillery system with the Sosna-R surface-to-air missile system to the Indian Navy, that is designed for protection against anti-ship missiles, anti-radar missiles, aircraft and helicopters, as well as for engagement of small displacement vessels and small-size sea and ground targets. The Palma system can be easily mounted on small surface ships, and its ammunition load integrates 1030mm cartridges to engage aerial targets at distances of 4 km, and 8 ready-use missiles to engage aerial targets at a range of 10 km. We had reported in January 2021 that Pakistan is all set to receive 5 CH4 medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicles from China, and the delivery can be a part of a larger UAV order or just a limited acquisition for testing. An open-source intelligence operator Detresfor has shared fresh satellite images, in which 4 CH4B drones are seen at the Bahawalpur airbase in Pakistan, that is possibly part of an induction or training. The CH4 is almost identical to the American MQ-9 Reaper UAVs being procured by India, and it is a mixed attack and reconnaissance system with provisions for 6 weapons and a payload of 345 kilograms. Instruments Research and Development Establishment of the DRDO is developing a new electro-optical system for tracking UAVs for coastal and harbor surveillance. It will have the capability to detect a 4-feet-long UAV from a distance of 3 km and a 1-foot drone from a distance of 2 km. The system will employ thermal imagers, high-resolution video cameras, laser illuminators and laser rangefinders to detect and track enemy UAVs, and can also be integrated with airspace surveillance radar systems.
Omar dropped it.